Hello! Welcome to Taryn's Baking Hour that only lasts a minute. I am your host, Taryn. Taryn, a piece of paper. Today, we'll be making chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna have to do really fast this time, you guys, because I need to do it in 1 minute. Okay, so 2 sticks of butter, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Okay, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, go, go. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. 2 eggs. We have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We have 1 teaspoon of salt. Come on. We're gonna mix it up, people. We're gonna mix it up. 2 cups of flour. We have no time. Now it's time to add in the chocolate chips. Oh, P.S. Preheat your oven to 370 degrees. Okay, now you're ready to put them in the oven. 15 minutes. Do this show in at least 1 minute. Chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies.